Welcome to the Moro Pigeon Show! Welcome to the Moro Pigeon Show. I'm your host, El Moro. Join me to explore the pigeon's way. We'll learn and laugh day by day. All pigeons bring us pure delight, creations from the eternal one taking flight. Let's learn from them, both big and small, into the world of pigeons. Let's give our all. With every flap, a gentle friend, in Moro's Pigeons world where wonders never end. Through YouTube's glow, their beauty takes flight. A symphony of coos, a pure delight. Where the palm trees sway nearby, white doves paint the blue sky. A spectacle for every eye, their stories soaring by.
Welcome, this is El Moro Pigeon Show. I am your host, El Moro, and I am on my way to the biggest one love race in the United States, which is the Florida Pigeon Derby. I am going to put one of my birds there. Don't have the money to do multiple birds. Some people get sponsors for this. I have my friend that he get sponsors. He's putting like 10 birds in there. That's a lot of money. So I just put one bird. I'm putting one bird in there. And so I'm gonna make a video. So I'm gonna make a video when I get there. That's why I'm making. So this is why I'm making this video right now. Let me turn this over. I can turn it like this, so I just turn it like this. This is over here is like very like empty, almost in the middle of nowhere. I think that's Everglades there. I'm not sure. I'm sure there's a lot of empty land here. Alright guys, so I have my glasses on because it's kind of bright. Been driving early in the morning, the sun was hitting me on so I had to put this, and I just kept the glasses on. Okay, so when I get there I start recording again. I have the bird back there, and if you see it there. Okay.
The Florida Pigeon Derby F.P.D in Miami has officially launched its 2026 season, with registration open to breeders through June 30th and replacements accepted until July 15th. This year's events kicked off earlier in the spring with 103-mile trainer arrivals and 452-mile extra race basketings in March, leading into a high-stakes competition with prizes that have historically exceeded $2.3 million. Preparation for these races is a grueling, months-long process that begins with housing roughly 1,200 young birds in specialized lofts to ensure they are in peak physical condition. To build necessary endurance, trainers use incremental road training, starting with short 5-mile tosses and gradually increasing to 56-mile sprints and 75-mile qualifiers. Health management is equally critical. Birds must be vaccinated for PMV at least 14 days before arrival and are often given dietary supplements like glucose and B-complex to aid recovery. The culmination of this training is the final race, which typically spans 353 to 355 miles from locations like Yulee, Florida back to the home loft in Miami, challenging the birds to navigate through intense heat and varying wind conditions. Florida Pigeon Derby 2026 registration bird entries open until June 30th, 2026. Replacement deadline, July 15th, 2026. Perch fee, $150 per bird. Promotion, 11 birds for $1,500. Venue, Florida Pigeon Derby Loft, 19322 SW 196 ST, Miami, Florida 33187. Website, detailed rules and entry forms are available on the official FPD website. Training and race logistics conditioning, daily loft flying, and mandatory road tosses starting in November. Sprint series includes multiple 56-mile and 75-mile activation races. Final race, a 354-mile journey with massive payouts for top clocking orders and average speed.
Estamos aceptando pichones desde ahora hasta junio 30, con posibilidad de reemplazo hasta julio 15. The Perch Fee is $150 per bird, or we have a special of $1,500 for 11 birds. Activation fees is $500, and that's after the 100-mile race, con un costo de $150 por palomas y un especial de $1,500 por 11 palomas, con un costo de activación de $500 después de las 100 millas.
Super nice ambience, you know, good people, good race. Let's see who wins, man. Looking forward to it.
Amazing setup. Thank you, Brito and family and all the workers. Great job, guys. Great job.
Thanks to Pedro, thanks to Brito for the hard work they've done with the Florida Pigeon Derby. Very excited. It's going to be a great race. It's going to be a great race.
En este 2026, nuestro equipo de Florida Pigeon Derby dará lo mejor de nosotros para que ustedes se lleven una temporada inolvidable.
This 2026, our team from Florida Pigeon Derby, we're going to give you our best, so you have an unforgettable experience.
¡Los esperamos!
I'm arriving now. I have to call Brito. That's the owner of the Florida Pigeon Derby. I think that's his house right there. Okay, here we go. He's open. Good, he's open. That's the loft right there. Got the dogs out. Welcome. See that? Florida Pigeon Derby. There's Brito right there. He's on the phone. Ponelo aquí. Cuidado que esto está arisco, cantidad. Okay, guys, so we just vaccinated We vaccinated for P&B. We also give for the mites, for the worms, the 5-in-1, all that stuff. Okay. ¿Te vas a cortar la niña ahora?
No, después.
Okay. All right. So it's a little baby. I think it's a cock. And yeah, it's going for the race. There's already, how many birds are there already?
Like more than 1,500.
There's more than 1,500 birds. We're expecting about 7,000.
Maybe more.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Well, one bird and a lot of prayer. ¿Y ahora cuánto tú lo dejas ahí? How long? Oh, really?
Yeah, they go up. Con los otros que están entrando.
All right, he's gonna put it in now. This is exciting, man. I love this. Oye, perro, bro. He's got a dog there, so let me be really close to him. He's got a Malinois. Those dogs are no joke. Look at this, guys. Oye, no veo ningún rojo ahí. Ah, sí, hay un rojito ahí. Ay. ¿Y cuándo tú lo dejas salir a volar la primera vez? When do you let him fly the first time?
Like a month.
Good.
Month, 1.5.
Oh, good, please. Oh. ¿Cierro esto?
Yeah.
Wait. What now?
That's the first group going to fly over.
Yeah.
So the second group, you see it working right now.
So he's gonna be in the second group, right? Because he just got in. Oh, but look, there's reds there. Who mine is redder? El mío está rojito.
Igual que tú.
Entro. Sí, mira. Wow.
Hey, eso es the bird started getting today.
Quarantine.
No, we finished our full section. We work a week like a probiotic, vitamin, many things. So later on we start to make the balance for all the disease.
Okay.
So for now, he's going to fly over there. The new group gets that's the bird arrived today. So.
Okay, so these are the birds that came in today, guys.
In 2 or 3 days, that's room full. Yeah.
These are the birds that came in today, guys. So there's my bird. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. This is my first time I'll do this.
That's the group came the last week.
They came last week? These guys came last week. Wow. So that bird, my bird is going to fly in about a month. A month and a half. That's good. He should stay, man. He's not going to go nowhere. You guys treat him good here. He feels good here, you know. There's a lot of birds there. Bum.
That's the first time they go out.
The first time they went out there? Me quedo aquí para que no venga para acá. So, bum. So he's bringing the birds. Bum. He's bringing this bird in. They came in last week. Wow. So he's trying to bring them in here. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. The good thing I like about this is whether my bird wins or lose, he'll give it back to me. They don't put him in an auction or nothing like that. Bum, 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 bum. Hey, really? Come on, come on, come on. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Come here. Wow, really, dude? Bum, 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 bum. All right. Okay, I gotta be heading back. Oh, there's a couple of reds there, like mine. Red checker. All right, I gotta go. Me tengo que ir, que tengo que manejar.
Tengo que ir para buscar una pintura ahí que estamos pintando.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Man, gracias por esperarme, man. All right, guys. I'm going to end up the video here. Hope you liked it. I'll let you know the result. Look how many birds are here, guys. Look at this. All right, so we're going to... Come here, Brito. We're going to say bye at the same time.
Thank you, everyone.
You go like this.
Like
Right.
this.
Ready? Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Wait. Ready? Love your birds and have a blast day.
Are you ready to witness the legends of the sky? Forget everything you know about birds. This isn't just a hobby, it's a legacy. From the rooftops of Havana to the top of the YouTube charts, one man has been dominating the game since childhood. Introducing El Moro Pigeon Show! Masterclass knowledge, learned from a pro. Started with nothing but split peas and oatmeal and became a master breeder. Long distance warriors watch incredible white homing pigeons defy the odds and fly hundreds of miles to find their way home. The beginner's manual, wanna start your own loft? El Moro breaks it down step by step so you can raise champions from day one. It's about passion, it's about grit, it's about the most skills for the birds in the sky. Don't just watch, join the movement. Join the movement! Join the movement! And smash that subscribe button now. Experience the heart and soul of the pigeon world at the El Moro Pigeon Show.